Wooddale.
So we have a customer just saw our cooking class, and a lot of things surprised him, and he wasn't expecting certain things, and I wanted to ask him some questions. So what was the best part of the cooking class?
How easy this all is. I mean, I cook at home, but the simplicity as to how quick everything came together is just very surprising. Mise en place done in 5 minutes. That's amazing.
Yeah, 2 salads, not one, 2 salads, yeah?
Two salads and a dessert.
Yeah, and a dessert. So we have like a 5-course meal. We have veggies, we have 2 salads, we have a cake, fried chicken. So we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dishes in less than 35 minutes, yeah? So what else was surprising to you? Taste-wise,
Tastes like the no need of anything extra added on. The cooking with no salt was very surprising. A sear that doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. The fond comes right off. Very interesting cooking system.
Okay, so you understand why we call it now cooking system, because
Yes.
this is not just your regular pots and pans, yeah?
Yes.
So we refuse to call our cookware pots and pans because it is
It just
not
look that way,
Yeah,
yeah.
it looks, but it's complete. It's a complete cooking system. From all the dishes that you have tried, what was the best one?
Honestly, the salad and the cake. This cake is
Because you were not expecting that from the box
no,
cake,
you
yeah?
don't expect that zucchini, radish. No,
Yeah.
not zucchini. This one. It was the cabbage, radish, carrots.
Celery.
Where does that come from?
So this is and we also did the soda test. You have a stainless steel
The baking
cookware at
soda.
home, and what's the difference between
I
the
was-
water and the baking soda
I was
water?
not expecting just conventional stainless steel pans to have such a big reaction. Just water. Seeing as that's all I actually use, I'm kind of concerned as to how much my flavors are actually changing.
Because of that, yes?
Just because of that, yeah.
That's why you understand now why your parents, your dad is adding so much salt to his food, because it just doesn't have flavor, any
Big
taste to
indicator,
it. So he has to make it up with a salt, a lot of amounts of salt, yeah? So you understood now that with that carrot test, within a minute, how fast that water just soaks up
I'm
everything.
still looking at the glasses and I can't
Yeah?
quite figure out why it changes so much.
Yeah.
I mean, ridding a potato.
So
of its
do you
starch.
understand why it's important for everybody to see this cooking class? Because we all cook. Somehow we cook little or more, yeah, less or more. We all cook
our
at
own
home.
tastes,
Yes, but if we understood what was going on actually with our food, I think we would be more aware
More
and
conscious of
more
what we do.
conscious and more cooking with more purpose, yeah? Otherwise, we are just eating empty calories.
Yeah, right.
Without any flavor, any taste, any vitamins and nutrition, yeah? So you saw the colors of the
The rainbow
veggies.
today, yes.
Yeah, and the veggies taste really good, and they retained all the colors, yeah? So it was only possible with,
There's
low...
that usual like fading out color when you
Yes.
steam things, and I'm
Yeah.
not seeing that here.
Yeah, yeah.
Still has a proper snap.
Anything at the end, what you want to tell to people? Why they should watch out
Definitely
for their
consider
food?
this. Definitely consider getting into this. This is interesting.
Yeah,
Yes.
but it was a nice surprise.
Very nice surprise. Absolutely.
Yeah.
If you have any reservations, come out to a class, try this out. This is eye-opening.
Okay,
Thank
nice.
you very much.
Thank you.